Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Yvette with Yvette's Junk Journal Shop. It is November, so we are here with our hashtag 12 by 12 Junk Journal Challenge 2024. Here is a list of all of the artists who are participating in that as a co-host. So we got Dawn, Trisha, April, Joan, Sheila, and myself. So yeah, we are, and I was gonna share this with you because I put this on here when I very first started the challenge in January. Join us as together we create 72 journals and at least 104 inspiring videos in 2024. So we have really been sharing a lot of creativity through that challenge. So I hope you guys check out the other videos. Just put in that hashtag 12 by 12 Junk Journal Challenge 2024 and all of the videos will come up. It's a great playlist to watch. So in that, we have all grown our channel through this challenge. I appreciate everybody who has joined not only my channel, but my friends' channels as well. So it's a great way to get those journals from your creative bucket list to completed journals. So in today's video, I'm sharing with you my plan for my November journal. So I am the leader this month, leading out with the challenge. So what I'm creating, and this has been on my bucket list just for a little while now, but it is there. So I have a friend who has taken on the wonderful blessing and challenge of having a new, how do I want to say this, a teenage young man came into her life, and so she is blessed with his presence and helping to help him navigate through life. He's had a little bit of a rough upbringing, and she's helping him through that. So one of the things he enjoys is fishing, and I thought it would be very therapeutic for him to have a journal to write down his thoughts as he goes through this new phase in his life. So I wanted something that was teenage sort of oriented, but also had that vintage feel. Just I don't know, when I think fishing, I think memories and things with my dad, and I always enjoyed going fishing with him when I was a kid. So I found this junk journal kit, and you'll see here as I go through the pages. So it's from the Three Wishes company. I found this on Etsy. I will put a link in the description box to this kit if you're interested in it. So anyway, we have the journal pages here, and I'm just gonna flip through these so you guys can get a feel for how this journal's gonna be. So I'm thinking about, for the cover, doing a patchwork, but then I saw this image too, which looks like a book cover. So I don't know how this is going to come together exactly. I've never really done a masculine sort of journal before, so this is the challenge part for me. But I love the images on here. I think it's just a lot of fun. So hopefully the young man that is getting this journal will appreciate it. So it says, the charm of fishing is that it is the pursuit of what is elusive but obtainable, a perpetual series of occasions for hope. So that's fun. Okay, got some upside down here. There are always new places to go fishing. For any fisherman, there's always a new place, always a new horizon. And then I printed some of the pages smaller because I like to have different sized pages in my journal. So I've printed these out. Also, I could use these as background for like journal tags and things like that. So here's another page. So living at the Oregon coast, of course, fishing is a big thing. Although I don't fish, I have quite often thought about getting into it because I did enjoy fishing with my dad. Somehow I got these on here upside down. I apologize for that. So yeah, I just printed out a couple of different pages. And then this I could either make it, you know, I was thinking I could make like a little page out of it, or I could make tags out of this. So I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to use that. This one I just kind of folded there. And then it came with these great ephemera pieces as well. So you've got some cutouts, fussy cut fish there, some trim, edge trimming, tickets, tags. So just some really great images. I go fishing not to find myself, but to lose myself. And some journal cards there. So yeah, I found a lot of items in this shop. When I chose this kit, I only needed really this kit, but there was a special going on when you buy multiple kits. So this is a pocket. This will make into a pocket. And then also this one. And then it also includes these little circles, and I thought they would make great charms for hanging off of the journal. So stay tuned, because this will definitely be a challenge journal for me, being masculine in theme, and then also a teenager, so a younger teenager. So trying to tie that in and make it something useful. The big one, fishing time. So I do have a funny fishing story. Everybody has a fishing story, right? So I went salmon fishing here at the Oregon coast with my dad, and I hadn't been fishing with my dad. We used to go bass fishing and perch all the time when I was a kid, rainbow trout, things like that. But so it was my first time doing actual salmon fishing. And if you know, I mean, salmon are quite large. I think the largest one my dad ever caught was like 54 pounds, which is crazy. And then, you know, it was quite often he would catch a like 32 to 40 pound salmon. So anyway, we were out fishing, and my dad and I were in the boat, and I said, well, how do you know when you have one on, you know? And he's like, oh, you'll feel the line go down. Well, no sooner had he said that, I feel the line. And I said, I've got one. And he's like, no, you're probably just hitting bottom. And I said, no, I have one. I've got one. So I started reeling it in, and I got it, it popped up. And my dad was really good at looking at a fish and knowing about how much it weighed. He was never more than a pound or two off. And he's like, well, it's at least a 40 pounder. Come on, reel it in, reel it in. So I'm reeling away, trying to get this fish in. And he got so excited, he grabbed the net. And as I was reeling and pulling the fish in, he went to put the net under, and the fish took a dive. And when it took a dive, it went under the boat. And my dad was so excited about me catching this fish, he had forgot to pull the motor. So the fish goes under the boat, and the line got cut by the motor, and the fish was gone. And my dad felt so bad about it. He was, oh no. So I said, well, you know, I at least have a fish story to tell now. So I never caught a fish with my dad, a salmon with my dad, but that was a lot of fun. So anyway, this kit brought back that memory too as I was going through it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check out 3 Wishes Company on Etsy, and let them know that you got there from my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the hashtag 12x12 Junk Journal Challenge 2024 November follow-up video, where I will show a completed flip through of this journal. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day.